Not one but two surprises for those who are waiting for news from Birce Akalay's Bird Flight series. Birce Akalay became the #1 item on the agenda in June with two Netflix series called Bird Flight and Cemetery. Both series of the actor received great acclaim, and the audience shared thousands of posts on social media for the sequel to be filmed. The second season was approved for the Bird Flight series starring Ibrahim Selikol and Mireille Dana. Birce Akalay and her friends are expected to go on the set and start shooting in the near future. However, a new development has emerged. The wishes of those who were eagerly waiting for the surprise of the second season in the Bird Flight series were granted. However, the second surprise was that the third season of the series was also revealed. After the huge number of views on Netflix, it was claimed that a decision was made to have a total of 3 seasons of the Bird Flight series. In November, the team will go to the set and the clearest situation will be finalized then. It is expected that new names will join the cast of the first season of the Bird Flight series, and the shooting of the second and third seasons will be completed in the coming months. Merrick Novice, known for his many previous successful scenarios, writes the story of the Bird Flight series by Ayupim. It has been revealed that Kore Kerimoglu will shoot the second and third seasons as a director. Deniz Yorulmeza, who was previously the director of the Bird Flight series, started a new series called Darmaduman, which is expected with great excitement on Fox TV this season. For this reason, there was a change in the technical team of the Bird Flight series. Birce Akalay, although many offers were made to her recently, she did not accept them. In fact, Birce Akalay, who did not accept the offer from the TV series Ben Bu Sihana Sigmazam, in which her close friend Oktay Kanaka was both the lead role and the producer, revealed the possibility of shooting new seasons of digital series as the reason for this. If the actor had started a television series, there would have been a great difficulty in taking part in the second and third seasons of the Bird Flight series, as he would have experienced a very intense process. With this latest development, it has been revealed that Birce Akalay's decision to prioritize digital series and put television projects on hold was a very smart decision. The worldwide success of the actor in both Bird Flight and Cemetery series once again revealed how right this decision was.